Doing a compressor change out this morning. I thought I would show you guys what we do. Compressor is down there. It's pretty much the engine of the system. I've got the power pulled out. Got my gauges hooked up. And then this is a recovery machine, taking out all the refrigerant. So we've got all this stuff removed. Got it pumping down. Got our nitrogen ready. Got the compressor. So we cut the dryer out. Remove the compressor. We're gonna put the new one back in. Coil. Whee! We got nitrogen flowing through. Watch the heat. Okay, I got this. Just gonna get ready to braise it. Move my nitrogen over. So we have nitrogen going through the lines. So done braising. Beautiful job, if I must say so myself.
What's the PSI at now?
Now we're adding 500 pounds of nitrogen. Check our 200. Check all of our weld joints. Those. That's what the compressor looks like. This is the side that's sucking it in. The side that's pushing it out. Now we're doing a vacuum, which removes all the moisture out of the unit. We've got our vacuum pump here. It's connected to our manifold. The manifold is connected to the AC system. And we measure by microns. There we go. Starting to go down. Alright, so we finally getting there. This will be at about 500 here soon. We're going to stop there and then we're going to start dropping refrigerant in. Now we're adding refrigerant in. There's a scale that we know. It's down there. It's at a pound. Okay, we've got to use these guys to get us kind of final numbers there. It's bottom number and our pressure here. We're trying to get a 10-degree difference. We've got clamps on here. We've got everything going. We've got our refrigerant. We're basically dialed in now. Final product up and running.